Today we'll be making egg sando. I heard from my brother that he went to a cafe and paid $24 for an egg sandwich, and I was like, what a dumbass. I'm gonna teach you to make an egg sandwich that is so delicious, so cheap, and so fast. Hello and welcome back to Cook It Yourselves, where I'll teach you to cook it yourself. Let's get real. An egg sandwich should never cost $24. So here's what we need. 2 slices of bread, just white sliced bread, Kewpie mayo, salt with MSG, chili powder, salt, white pepper, mustard, cream of tartar, and some good eggs. Step 1, water. Step 2, cream of tartar. Step 3, salt. Aggressive. Fire up. We put cream of tartar in there so that there's some acidity. You can use vinegar as well. It helps the shell of the egg separate from the egg itself a lot easier. So now we're gonna wait for it to come to a boil, and then we'll put the eggs in. So for the eggs, I wanna pop them at the bottom using this device, so it creates a hole and it helps the air bubble to release its dead air, so it looks all round and nice. But if you don't have one of these, I recently learned that you can do this as well. So you just take a metal spoon and you tap until you hear that, and you should be fine. Now we're gonna put the eggs in. Hey Siri, timer for 7 minutes. I forgot to mention earlier, the eggs are directly from the fridge. And now while eggs are cooking, we're gonna start making ice bath. Now that the eggs are done, fire off. We're going to put it into an ice bath. And now we wait 10 minutes. Now we're gonna peel the eggs, and a really easy way is to do it in water. So we're just gonna give it a good crack all around. Roll. Now repeat. Now that our eggs are peeled, we're gonna put 2 in a bowl and we're gonna leave 2 aside. Start smashing. Perfect consistency. Now we season to taste. I'm gonna start with MSG and salt, just a little bit. Mustard, white pepper, togarashi, Kewpie, and mix. Aggressive. Bread, spoon egg over. Now we take our other 2 eggs and we're gonna line them up. Cover. Never forget ABC, always be cleaning. And now we wrap. Make sure it's secured. I want it to hold its shape. And now we cut. Beautiful. Now the part we all love, taste test. Oh, I like the mustard. There's a good kick. Wow, the egg, perfect. Why would anyone pay $24 for this? Messy goodness. So I hope you all enjoyed this episode of Cook It Yourselves. I can't wait for you to try it and let me know what you think in the comments. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next week.